How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap without filter. To do so, first of all, launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you have logged into it. Now, click a random
Now, at the
video,
bottom left
random
corner, you will see
video,
plus icon.
random
Simply hit on
video.
that.
From here, select import media, which is on the right side of your screen. From here, choose any photo that you want to send to a user. Now click on the right button. From here, select the previously clicked video,
And hit on the
random video,
dustbin
random
icon.
video, random. Now hit on the preview. Now you're ready to send your camera roll photos as a normal snap without filter. Simply hit on the send to and select the user, and then you are good to go. If you go and check that photo, then it will be sent as a normal snap. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.